It was 12 o'clock on a day I cannot remember. I was going to film a styling video. I set up my studio. I was going to use natural lights. I sat in front of my window. I had my clothes arranged. I did my face beads and I was going to film. But when I was done doing the makeup and all, I couldn't do anything. I just sat down there looking outside. It was sad. I lost my willpower to do anything at that point. I was like, what is this? And I know before then I was having creator's block. You know the way you have writer's block. I don't know what it's called for content creators. I couldn't do anything. Sure, I had plans, but I couldn't just do anything. It was crazy. And I just said, let's go outside. As funny as it sounds, I was so happy to go outside. I did not have plans of what I was going to do outside. I just said, let's go outside. And I picked a dress, put my hair down, on my flat shoe, and I was out. The sun was so bright and I guess it was hot, but I did not really feel it. Maybe I was too excited to observe or feel the heat, but I was happy outside. I just mounted my tripod, my phone somewhere. At first I was walking around like you would see in the beginning of the video. I was just walking about. Then inspiration came over time. I got a white cloth, I got a book, and I got a glass, a wine glass. I thought I was going to do a photo shoot because, well, that's what I can do right now. I wasn't going to speak outside because it was going to be too noisy or something. But I don't know if my Bluetooth remote decided to be possessed or it was God's plan. It did not work, and I said, let me just film. And at the back of my mind, I said, I might just talk about myself, how I started blogging, then YouTube, then Instagram, and all of that. But apparently I'm talking about how I made this video while you watch this video. So thank you for watching. So I did that and I made this. If I may say, the moral of all of this could be, you could try something different. I really like this. I really like how this came out, and I'm happy I did it. I believe there is place for consistency, for discipline, and for commitment to your craft. I am not going to throw my natural hair and my skincare content out the window, no. But for that day, for that time, this was created and I love it. And I hope you loved it too. I hope you loved the aesthetics. I hope you liked my talk, and I hope you subscribe also. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, my dear. Thank you.